1 year. I say 5,000 too much. And you hear your teacher, or your policeman, or your civil servant, or your health worker, or your parents, and they're making 150. At the time, lawmakers, especially for the Senate, were making $15,000 a month. That teacher will work for 10.5 years before they see $15,000. Hello?
Can you speak?
If the policemen and senators making $15,000 at a time, they want the senator get 1 month. It will take you 10.5 years before you see 15,000. Who you representing, yourself or the people? We are fighting for a country where the system will work for you. Let me tell you how system can work. In America right now to speak, coronavirus all over around the world. In America, the people's system working for them is such that the stimulus package. Once you are an American citizen, you're more than 18 years old, they give you $1,200 US cash. It comes in the form of check. If you're a child below 13, they give you $500. You can be on radio today, you say you let Donald Trump. Tomorrow morning they will send your check because the system working. In Liberia today, Jack here on the radio say the way president we are running the country, you like it, the stimulus package will not reach for you. Can I get it, sir? No. We want a system. We want a system that will empower our citizens. If I'm paying your child's school fee or your school fee, if I'm corrupt, you will back me. But if the system is paying your school fee only because you are a citizen, if I want to corrupt that system, you will deal with me. No. You start living in public official pocket. After all, you're the one who brought us. We're going to go and change agent and the election, we got to fight to keep the peace. The way to keep the peace is to go vote for your choice. No need to fight. No need to fight. You see, we should learn. This is an intellectual center. We should learn the thing they call tolerance. First thing to be tolerant, you gotta have self-control. You know, you buy your radio, that 30 station, buy your radio, you put your own battery inside, you tune to one station, the thing they call talking. You like it, you dash to your home with the radio. You can't change the station, so you all right? No need to fight, no need to spoil your radio. Just change the station, maybe you will hear the thing you let, then you keep it on that channel. That's how self-control is, and tolerance. December 8th, I became senator. I went in the Capitol building. It took us 1 year to shake the fabric of this country, to make you see and know things that you didn't know. For you to see and know things that you did not know before. But the reason why it's not reaching you yet, because we get it normal. Anybody who tell you say we don't like President Weah is not true. We like, some of us like President Weah, there's some people who can run behind him. And the way we want to like him is to be right behind him like the police checkpoint. Inspect everything. Look, if the president and the government want to pave the road coming to the president, everything, then who will serve you? Nobody. Who will serve you? Check and balance. The cabinet serve at the pleasure of the president, serve at the pleasure of the people. If every official of government starts to serve the pleasure of the president, then the people are in trouble. December 8th election, in a democracy, let me leave this for you as we're about to leave. Yes. December 8th election will win this election with over 300,000 votes. Last year, when you live in Peaceville and you change your residence to Broadville, change it last year. This year, when you turn 18, you can register to vote. So it means we're adding people on the voter roll. Yeah. This year, you can change your voting precinct. It is allowed. That means we need to reconcile and clean the voter roll. Nala? So, dear citizens, the voter roll this year is yours. Number two. Number two, why you happy to go vote when you know one person get 5 voter ID card, 10 voter ID card, it's spreading all over. Election, that one man, one vote. One man, one vote. One man, one vote. Thank you. You know how we ensure it? We're working with our international partners along with the government and NEF. The ink they will bring, even if they take the 10 card from you, and you want to vote 10 times, you will color your 10 finger. because when you vote here, the ink they will put here, and you won't move it, you got to color your finger. That ink will stay there for more than 1 month. So the other 9 cards you get it for nothing. One man, one vote. Number 3, other president, we are administration. It's almost like a taboo for brother and brother to be into. So they are compelling government employees to go vote for their choice. So you know what we're doing? There will be no camera or phone allowed in the voting room. The Constitution says your vote is your secret. Nobody will compel you to show it. The government will not compel people to vote for the government candidate against the people's choice. The only 30-second freedom you get on your own to decide who you're going to vote for, nobody will compel you to show that vote. No camera will be allowed in the room. We'll do the 3 things, we'll win this election, over 300,000 votes in this country. They go looking. And then you will clap. Or hospitals. Lawmakers are not supposed to build schools. Lawmakers are not supposed to give loans. Let me tell you what lawmakers are supposed to do. If lawmakers are supposed to build roads, then let us delete the Minister of Public Works. If lawmakers are supposed to build hospitals, then let us cancel the Ministry of Health. So, if lawmakers are supposed to build schools, then there's no need for a Ministry of Education. Lawmakers are supposed to be together in numbers to put the development of the country in the budget. We pass the budget and give it to the executive, say go spend it on the people. The reason you can see that is because plenty of lawmakers together don't have the number to say we put $1 million in the budget for you to carry road to red light. We don't see the road. You come here or you will never work again. If you have lawmakers, legislature, where the members are in numbers to hold the public officials accountable, you will not go to lawmaker for road because you know that public wants to make a road. The lawmaker for clinic for a pocket because you know Minister of Health is supposed to provide that. In this country, lawmakers are almost everything because of the way some of them can campaign. The same way. Because when you campaign the same way, you will have the people expecting from you the same way. And we, lawmakers, got to build roads, then you make all the Ministry of Public Works. And we got to build clinic, then you make us the Ministry of Health. It's okay. December 8th, election. The reason I don't talk much about Thomas Fala is because he and myself would not the same league. Thomas Fala and myself, we are not in the same league. CDC can turn drunk and gain microphone for 5 minutes near me for to talk the issue. With no throwing rock. We know the difference. We know the difference. We know the difference. Because I worked as Justice Minister for 11 years. I was special assistant to the Solicitor General. Before Thomas Fala became representative, he know how many times they brought him before me for taking people money for playing that he didn't get. He know who did. When it comes to integrity, he can't come near me. Thomas Fala then know, and you knew that great man was superintendent of the country? Yes. Some of you people know the history as to how she was forced to resign, right? Because the country development money went into T5 Academy. Your money went into T5 Academy. Then your children paying school fee to T5 from your money. Day school are educating the people children. Asking which school your children going. T5 school. He said, you know, because you know T5 school in get standard. So you send your children there, but you collect money from the district people. Those people and myself like that, we are not in the same league. In this country, if we don't start to reward honesty and hard work, but frown at it, but reward corruption and dishonesty, your life will not change. Hello? Hi. So I want to thank you for listening to me. December 8th election, I know for a fact that we are winning the campaign. Election. We must understand that we're winning the campaign, but we have not won the election. That's two different things. You want to know we're winning the campaign? Go talk to every 10 person, 7 or 8 elect our dealer. Go in the market building, go in the church, go in the mosque, go in the taxi, in the communities. Every 10 person you talk to, 7 or 8 elect our dealer. Even the people who ain't let direct dealer because you're not in CDC, they can come around to listen to him. But we win the election here. All the things we do here. If you go vote, you will win? No. If you go vote, the other side will win? No. Okay, thank you. Lastly, I go places, young people especially, they take their photo card. They give it to me. They say, they don't keep my voter card for you. The election day I will come for you and go vote for you. I said no. Hello? I said no. If you can't keep your voter card, if you can't keep your voter card, you can't keep your future. Because that voter card, you think it for me? It's not for me. If any of you here, young people especially, you get your grandparents and you see how they're suffering, that voter card for them. Any of you here wanting to go to school to get an education so you can be productive citizen, you want a system that will help you, that voter card is for that purpose. Any of you here, working class, graduate, but no job, that voter card for you. Samuel 12 told you. Samuel 12, they already finished telling you two things. It left to you to hear it, if you have ears. They say, vote all citizen candidates so the whole place can be citizen, so John we can tell you. I am question you do what you want to do. Anyway, honey? Yes. Number 2, I said 5,000, okay, or less, for us to make as lawmakers. And Representative C.B. Bashir is ready for us to flow together. Samuel 12 told you, you don't listen to Darrell Taylor, because when you reduce the lawmaker money, take them. You want to remove beggars? No. Do you want to remove beggars? No. I am saying, let's face the system, so that when you are in Liberia, market, and that wheeler market, you can have access to loan. You go to the bank, through the system, you can have access to loan, only because you are a citizen and you got a register business, not depending on your party or the person that carry you. That the thing we're fighting for. What a moderator? Is it a moderator, yeah? And he don't want offering oil. And you make joke. And funny. You gotta wait for somebody's pocket. Before you smile or you do your own thing, it can reduce your self-respect. The people, the government, in majority, we're saying, reduce your self-respect to our pocket. And you clapping. You think something wrong? I am saying, I want you to have your own pocket. So when you come here and the moderator offering, and you get your own too, and you make joke, it's not funny. The time you say, my man, that's not funny way, man. And you depend on your pocket when you do that. Self-esteem. You're holding on to your principle. I see a whole young generation. I go in places, I see people behind me, Kogo Mesa, he come with fire. I don't want to be any of those. I know about giants. Giants belong in the forest. Because every time giants step, the place gets scatter. And your grand country giant to turn. And when the giant steps in the town, the place can crack. Then you want to counter giant that no, I don't want to be counter giant. Thank you. The choice, the decision is yours. I'm asking for you to vote for me December 8th so we can fight to change your life story. You see where I am today? It could be any of you. But most of you think you don't belong there. Most of you young men, young people, believe you don't belong there. They say your only role that will be running behind us. We Kogo Mesa, oh, you can't get tired. That Kogo Mesa come with fire many years, we can't understand it today. Anytime people come with fire and that solution, that the kind of thing we can have, and we're fighting to change it. If you have a majority of senators that's standing up for you, trust me, the House of Representatives will change. Representative CB Bashir Raya, you're not part of the leadership. Let me tell you something. Every time we extend our vacation to stay in office, they can pay our overtime. When we stay for overtime, our staff then can stay for overtime too. But most time, the people then are to pay the staff the overtime. But you know what I'll be there, yeah? As a senator, when they brought that discussion, I said if we're getting overtime, the staff will get overtime too. The Senate will deliberate that we agree. I said because if the staff didn't get their own, I will hold press conference and expose us that we bad. So the Senate agreed. After 3 days, they brought a check for the senator and they brought my check. I asked, I said, what is staff when they say in process? I said, why you process our own last staff get the money? The senators, most of them started panicking. They did not want for again the staff. After 2 days, they start money again. The staff started rejoicing. Almost 6 to 7, 10 years. It never happened. So when the staff in the Senate got their overtime money, you know what I mean? The staff in the House of Representatives started beating John behind Akawa Graden. Behind Thomas Fala, Thomas Fala, Akawa Graden, who want the money? Thomas Fala there, Papa Chimo then went together and they start taking it back from the pocket so we can get it for the private maker. You know what I'm talking this for? You know what I'm talking this for? Standing up for the staff in the Senate, made the staff in the House of Representatives to get their own money. If you change the Senate, you can change the House. When you change the Senate and the House together, the president was sitting. And when the president straightened with a serious Senate and serious legislature, if you keep pressing out, we'll keep doing the same thing to you. We'll keep doing the same thing to you. And it's wrong. The old people in the country suffering. 70, 80-year-old grandparents, they still planting potato green and frying color for their 30-year-old children to eat. What time do grandparents will rest? What time you will take over? You graduate from school, you get college paper, no job. You know why? Because the private sector is expanding. And you know why the private sector is not expanding? Because we, the government official led by President Weah, we don't respect the rule of law. We don't respect the rule of law. In any country where there is complete disrespect for the rule of law, nobody will bring the money. The time they were removing Kabina Janneh from the bench, we told them, you leave Kabina Janneh alone. You know why? Because in the outside world, see that politicians are powerful to remove judges from the court. They will not bring the money here to invest. When the investor can invest and eat money, the woman is able to go to Kevin. If I don't want controlling the judge, I eat the investor money and I'm controlling the job. You think the investor will get it? And when no investor can, you think you will get a job? When you do one thing, it can have ripple effect on many other things. And when we say, let us have respect for the rule of law, then they say you hit the ball. And we need to stop this thing. The president is no ball. He's 54 years old. 54 years old cannot be ball. And so I want to thank you. The decision is yours. I know December 8th, you will prefer light over darkness. Listen to the radio. From CDC, they call me Jago Lantern, Chinese light, fly light. You who support us don't get fed no more. The citizens are saying something that they don't understand. When you call me Chinese light, it means you acknowledging that I'm a light. Those of you who know about football game, ain't no when one team defending, it means the other team on the offensive. Yeah. And when the ball in your penalty battle, when you defending that 3 times, 3 ways can score on you. Other penalty, goal, or the other team that attacking score. When you listen to the radio, what they see is defending, proper defender. In your back, they will just score. You will just score yourself. Pressure. That was zero. Citizens start campaigning with money in their country before? No. When you start campaigning with money to battle for, it means something wrong. Right. If the money is available during election, it means it been there ever since you mess up with the people. When you bring it during election, there are 2 things you're doing. You tell the people, say, vote to extend my stay in office and vote to extend your suffering. Thank you very much. Hello, just before I go. Normally when I go places, I don't like to make this BP pronouncement, this and that. But you see the sun shining? Yeah. You know that when I came here for it was raining? Yeah. That God wanted me to see something? Yeah. The player was sitting here, was driving there. So we provide the thing, and we make sure we pass it through the representative, we gotta respect the power of this district. He brought through, even though I got a whole house. The whole house got 17 rooms. Number 3 key. So he started up for the room number 3. So I will pass it through here, and it will be tomorrow. Thank you. That's a long time.